Let's begin by clarifying what programs and projects are. A program is a series of planned measures, related events, and coordinated activities that pursue an organization's long-term goals. Managing Successful Programs, or MSP, defines a program as a temporary, flexible organization created to coordinate, direct, and oversee the implementation of a set of related projects and activities in order to deliver outcomes and benefits related to the organization's strategic objectives. A project is also a temporary organization. It produces a unique and predefined outcome or result at a pre-specified time using predetermined resources. Managing Successful Projects with Prince2 defines a project as a management environment that is created for the purpose of delivering one or more business products according to a specified business case. Projects are characterized by a defined and finite lifecycle, clear and measurable inputs and outputs with a corresponding set of activities and plans. They also feature a defined amount of resource and an organizational structure for governance and delivery. Large projects are often referred to as programs. In practice, there are 4 key differences between programs and projects. Firstly, programs focus on the delivery of outcomes and projects on the delivery of outputs. Secondly, programs are comprised of enabling projects and activities. A third difference is that programs generally, but not necessarily, have a longer lifespan. They may consist of a number of tranches that take several years to deliver. Finally, programs are usually more complex. For that reason, they require an umbrella under which their enabling projects can be coordinated and delivered. There are different types of programs, which we'll take a look at in the next video. The content of the supporting business case will be influenced by the nature of the change being delivered and the degree of analysis required.